Hello, this is Missey Grace. It's Wednesday again. How you doing? So today I'd like to share some thoughts about being a vegetarian, eating out and eating at home. Sometimes when I go out to a restaurant with my friends, and guess what? When they know that I'm a vegetarian, words come out, what they can offer me is the non-chicken, non-duck, or not seafood, that sort of thing from their menu. And then people would just ask me, why are they still offering you something that's relating to the animal and then just add a non in front, right? This is ridiculous, don't you think? So being a vegetarian, we really don't need to relate to anything that we eat to the animal, because we don't eat pork, we don't eat beef, we don't eat lamb, we don't eat seafood, we don't eat chicken, we don't eat fish, we don't eat all that kind of stuff. We just want to be vegetarian. Right. So that comes to when you're cooking at home. Say, for example, what is the most favorable or the popular dish on a Sunday? Roast, isn't it? Especially when in Australia the weather getting cold and everyone would love to have something really steaming hot from the oven and share with the family over the weekends. So if you have something that's left over on a Sunday, what do? Traditionally on Monday you will have shepherd's pie, don't you? So, but that is a meat-based sort of thing. And as a vegetarian, what do? Quite simple. If you have roast veggie that's left over, why don't you cook up some couscous? That's only taken 2 minutes to do. Or you can cook some quinoa that's very, very healthy for the minerals and vitamins, a grain that you can actually put together and add a little bit of salad. That is another meal for you, right? So sometimes that you can actually turn one dish into many dishes. Right. So that is just one thought. And how are you doing this week? Have you done anything like that? What about the meatless Monday? Have you tried the spaghetti bolognese that we talked about last week? The vegetarian one and the meat one? Have you tried that to share with your family? And they can have their share and you are happy too. How about that? Put some comments below and let me know what is your favorite meal and how you actually develop that into 1, 2, 3 different kind of meals. So I'll see you next time. Until then, be well, be happy.